All right, I'm going to give this recipe a try. It is with our coconut curry mussel seasoning, which is, by the way, going away. So if you have got some, this is a good way to use it up. Or if you don't have any, you can still get some on sale on our website. But anyway, on the website is actually this recipe. It looks pretty cool. It gives you full instructions. I'm actually not using exactly like it says because I'm using up vegetables that are going, and also I don't have some things, and we're just gonna make do with what I do have to make this work. So there we go. I'm using our steamer instead of it on the pot on the stove. I'm gonna put in 3 cups of water because it says 3 cups of broth. So 3 cups of water. I'm using our Nourish broth. You could use whatever you like. So you need 1.5 teaspoons times 3. So basically, I literally just, me personally, put a little bit more than they asked for, but that's just me. So go ahead. It says bell peppers, sweet potato. As I said, I don't have some of this stuff, so we're just gonna make do. I'm gonna put in mushrooms instead. And I'm pretty much making this a big one pot wonder kind of thing. And then I'm gonna put carrots in as well, but not until the end. So when I'm about to eat them, about to eat the soup, that's when I'll throw in the carrots, so it still kind of has a little bit of crunch. And I'm actually thinking of, which I will, either using the 4-in-1 mandolin or our peeler here and making them long and skinny, but I'll probably use the mandolin, but it's not necessary at the moment because we just need all this. So then it says beans. So I am using some black beans because that's, again, what I have. It says white beans, but your choice, obviously whatever you want. Give that a mix. All right, then we need the 1 package of the coconut curry mix. If you don't have this, obviously you could use another curry. And then it wants a can of coconut milk, which I do not have. So what I'm doing actually is going to use up my oat milk that I've got here. I don't need it that creamy, but obviously if you want it coconutty, you can, and all that. Thicker drinks coconut water, so I will put a bit of coconut flavor in. So I got about 1/2 cup, I guess, of coconut water and oat milk, and that is what I will mix in. Mix this all up, and then it's about 10 minutes in the microwave, and then I've got soup all set up and ready to go for this week. And as I said, I'll have carrots ready to go with it to put in. You could put the sweet potato. It talks about having cucumber and spinach, and of course lime. But it's blah 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 blah. Yeah, so I don't put the lime in, and I'm not gonna put my carrots in until it's actually done and I'm ready to eat it. But right now I'm just doing a base, so I have a base soup for this week's lunch. So there we go. That's the starting of our coconut curry lime soup.